Yo, 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 guys, what is going on? This is my first video of 2020. It's probably the nicest day we've had out so far this year. The sun's in my eyes. So I've got some exciting news. Today I'm going to pull the 240 out of storage, which is my backyard at the moment. So today we're gonna get the 240 pulled out of storage. I just took the tarp off of it, sitting there looking super sad. So basically I'm gonna plug in the battery, get it charged up. I'm gonna move all this stuff out of the way, and we're gonna pull it out on the driveway. Hopefully, if it's still bright out, I got a little couple things that I want to throw on it. Alright, so I got this stuff moved out of the way. The battery is pretty charged, so it's kind of tricky to get it out of here. So what I'm gonna have to do is open up this gate, and then I have to drive the car up over here and then reverse straight out. I'm gonna have to move that trailer, and the car is just gonna go right up there. So let's crank her up, see if the battery's got enough charge. Oh, I don't know if it's got enough charge. Let's try it. Yeah, no. Alright, so my battery charger wasn't giving it enough voltage, so I got my diesel on the other side of the fence and I ran a booster, and seems like now we've got enough to crank her over. So oh, there we go. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright, looks like she's holding an idle. Alright guys, so the RV sounds fantastic. I'm gonna turn off this noisy diesel. So obviously the car's been sitting for the last 5 months. So once I get it out, you know, we're gonna do oil change, new plugs, fresh coolant. So my plan is to get this thing to the shop in the next 2 weeks. We're gonna pull the motor, I'm gonna paint the bay and get the bay done, because I want to have that done and out of the way. And yeah, it's gonna be nice just to have like a nice freshened up bay, because like this one isn't bad, it's not rusty, it's got a little bit of surface rust here, but whatever's bad I'm gonna blast, and we're gonna paint the entire engine bay. I got a new rad setup I'm gonna get. Lots of new stuff coming this season that I'm really excited for, but RV is started up, sounds good, sounds healthy. I'm gonna let it idle, get to operating temperature before I try and move it or anything. And yeah. All right, she's pretty warm, so just letting the clothes, just the hood sit like that, whatever. So I'm gonna just pull her forward. So as you can see, there is not very much space here. This is going to be very tight, so I'm not going to film it, but you'll see when she's out. Man, does that RV sound good. Alright, we made it. It was tight. I spun the tire a little bit, but we got her out. Yeah, it looks like absolute shit right now. Bumper kind of got pulled off a little bit, hood's half open. But here we are. The 240 is dirty as hell and ready. You didn't see the seat that was in there yet. Super dusty, super old looking. And even got the winners on, which are like pretty much flat, but yeah, I'm fucking so excited. I am so excited just looking at this thing right now. Like, you have no idea. I have so many crazy plans for this thing this year. I'm so excited that I'm gonna be videoing all of it. So, all right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get my TDI out of the way, and I'm gonna pull this thing in the front end right here so we can work on something back here. Okay guys, are you ready to see the first modification of 2020? This is something I wanted to do on the 240 since I got it, but I never got around with just so many other things in the way. So here is the car, and this is what we're going to be putting on. Type X tails, hell yeah. So I picked these up for a pretty good deal. The kooky lower garnish has some holes drilled in it, so it's not in perfect shape. I'm gonna get a new one of these, but for now it'll mount right on perfectly until my new one comes in the mail. So I'm gonna take these puppies off and throw the new ones off, and it won't look like an old grandpa car anymore. Alright, so I'm 90% sure it's just a 8mm or 10mm to take these off. So I'm gonna pop these off. I got my drill, I got both, and these literally just zip right out. Oh, yeah. Alright, so S13s have like this goop that holds the taillights in. Man, is this shit sticky. I don't think these have ever been taken off before. Oh yeah, that looks dirty behind there. Okay, but the stockies are coming out. Alright, alright. Okay. Wow, that is super weird. I've never seen a sealant this kind of gooey before. Okay guys, so we got the old stockies off. As you can tell, it's super dirty in behind there. I'm not too worried about the dirt because I'm gonna be painting the car in like 2 months anyway, so I'm not gonna like clean under here at all. I'll clean it when I prep it for paint. For now, I'm just gonna throw the taillights on. I already got the harnesses that jump it from the JDM light to the US light that came on here, so let's bolt them on, and I'm super excited for this. As you guys can see, it is a little banged up there and it doesn't line up, so I'm gonna get a new one, but for now it'll do the job. Alright, next up, the centerpiece. Total noob fail. I didn't know that you actually need to put the centerpiece on last. So that's coming back on. All right guys, second side going in. I love this drill, man. I love this drill. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, now it's just time for the cookie, the centerpiece. All right, are you ready? Da 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 da. Oh yeah. That is what the hell I am talking about. Now, obviously, it doesn't look perfect because we got rose gold wrap on the centerpiece and we got brown as a lower garnish, but once it's all painted, man, this just makes the car look so much cleaner and so much less old. Like, it doesn't look like an old man's car from the back now. So yeah, obviously the car is super dirty, and this isn't the best way to present them because they're not perfect condition, but you know, once we get this thing in for paint, it's gonna be amazing, guys. I'm so excited. So I mean, besides on my bumper, I got some that sticky stuff from the taillights. Looking pretty good. Yeah, obviously the taillights are super dirty. They've been sitting in my shed for a while. I probably should have cleaned them up before I put them on, but you know, considering the centerpieces aren't matching anyways, there wasn't really a huge point. Now I can get rid of these ugly old thingies. Well guys, thank you for checking out my video. It means so much. I've got a lot of exciting stuff planned for this season, like crazy stuff going down on this build. I don't want to give away too much, but I do want you guys to keep in and keep checking what's going on. We just got it started, you know, painting the bay and a whole bunch of crazy shit going on. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think, what you want to see on the 240 this year in the comments. I'll let you know what I'm saying. And yeah, peace out guys. Thanks.